Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to hide apps in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. So at first go to your app screen and then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then go to settings. Now from here scroll down a bit and here you can see hide apps on home and app screen. Then just tap here. Now from here you can hide any apps as you want. Suppose if you want to hide Facebook, just select it, then tap on done. And it's done. Now just go back and then go to app screen. Now Facebook is hidden from home and app screen. You cannot find it here. Now if you want to unhide Facebook, just go to same settings again. Now to unhide any app, just tap on this minus icon and then tap on done, and it's done. Now just go to app screen again. And here it is. You can see Facebook is removed from hidden app list. And that is how you can hide app in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.